Once upon a shimmering dawn, beyond the edge of any known map, stood the tree of Glimmerwood, a colossal, ancient tree whose branches shimmered with diamonds, rubies, emeralds, and other dazzling stones. Its leaves whispered magical melodies only the wind and the fairies could understand. Nestled in the heart of its canopy lived 60 fairy friends, each a guardian of the gems that bloomed like fruit. Far from this enchanted grove lived a young minstrel named Ion, a dreamer who had heard tales of a guitar woven from fairy hair, said to create music so pure it could summon light from shadow and call even fairies into dance. No one had ever seen such an instrument, but Ion's heart was set. He would find it. He journeyed across deserts where the sun never blinked, through forests that breathed, and over mountains that hummed lullabies. After many moons, guided by a starlit melody only his soul could hear, Ion reached the Glimmerwood. The fairies were watching. To prove his heart was pure, Ion played his wooden flute beside the tree. His song carried hope, wonder, and kindness. The fairies, moved by his spirit, descended like stardust and revealed the secret. The enchanted guitar had been crafted from strands of a legendary fairy's hair, bound by moonlight and dreams. It was hidden within the heart of the tree, waiting for the right soul. With trust, the tree of Glimmerwood opened, and the guitar emerged, gleaming, delicate, and alive with melody. When Ion strummed its strings, all 60 fairies appeared with wings of light and joy in their eyes. Then, under the jeweled canopy, they danced. The stars leaned closer. The earth held its breath. And in that moment, the world remembered the magic of music, wonder, and friendship.